The first practical step in any succession planning process is identifying which roles actually need succession plans. And the answer is not every role in the organization. Remember it. Critical roles are those where vacancy would cause significant disruption in business operation, strategic execution, or organizational capability. They are identified by asking three questions. What would be the business impact if this role were vacant for 6 months? How difficult would it be to find the external replacement in terms of market availability, cost, and time? And how much institutional knowledge, relationship capital, or strategic contacts does this role carry that would be difficult to transfer quickly? So, roles that score high on all three dimensions are your priority succession planning targets. These typically include senior leadership positions, but critically, they are also include high specialized technical or functional role that may sit several levels below the executive team but are disproportionately important to organizational performance. In many Indian organizations, mainly family-owned institution or large manufacturing business, critical role mapping also needs to account for roles that carry significant external relationship capital, where the role holder's personal relationship with key clients, regulators, or government stakeholders are central to business continuity. Succession in these roles require not just capability transfer, but deliberate relationship transition as well, which has its own timeline and its own development requirements. So, once critical roles are identified, the next step is assessing the depth of the pipeline against each one. This happens through a talent review process, sometimes called a talent calibration session, where leaders come together to assess their people against a consistent framework. The talent review is where succession planning moves from theory to practice, and it requires three things to work well. Listen carefully.